Good morning, students. Hope you will be fine at your respective places. Today we are going to start one more topic, that is the transpiration. What do you mean by the transpiration? Transpiration simply means loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant in the form of water vapors. Now, what do you mean by transpiration? It is mainly the loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant. That means the above ground parts of the plant. That means the above ground parts of the plant in the form of water vapors. And last time we have discussed the guttation bhi humne padha. Guttation means it is also the loss of water, what we say, in the form of the what we call tiny droplets, and that loss of water जो होता है in the form of tiny droplet, that takes place through the hydrothodes, and these hydrothodes are mainly the small pore like structures which are found on the margins of the leaf. Here we will see जो transpiration है, it is also the loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant in the form of water vapors. Now this transpiration, it is of different types. First one, which we called as the cuticular transpiration. कहते हैं कि about 5% of the transpiration takes place by means of this cuticular transpiration. This, what we will see, this cuticle, it is a thick waxy layer. Cuticular transpiration, it is mainly found on the what we call as the outside the upper epidermis and lower epidermis of the leaves. और उनके ऊपर क्या होती है, upper epidermis, you will find these a waxy layer, and that waxy layer is called as the cuticle, and this cuticle is made up of a substance which is called as cutinia cuticle. And this waxy layer, it prevents the loss of water. So we will see when this cuticle is thick, there we will see जो transpiration होगी वो बहुत कम होगी या negligible होगी. When this cuticle is somewhat thin, we will see some transpiration takes place. That is about 5% of this total transpiration which takes place from the plants. Second one जो है, that is called as the lenticular transpiration. This lenticels, they are the small pores like structures which are found on the bark, and these bark जो था, it is surrounded by means of the simple cells or the cells which are called as the complementary cells. These are called as complementary cells, and through these lenticels negligible, अगर हम देखेंगे, jibble transpiration takes place, that is very less transpiration takes place through this lenticular transpiration. Now the main जो है which plays an important role in the loss of water, that is the stomata, and that type of respiration is called as stomatal transpiration. These stomata, they are the small pores which are mainly found on the lower surface of the leaves or under the surface of the leaves. Or what we will see, these about 95% of this water loss, जो हम कहेंगे transpiration, that takes place by means of these stomata, and this stomata is a small pore-like structure which is surrounded by means of these God cells, and these god cells are surrounded by means of the what we call as the subsidiary cells, जिसका जिक्र हमने कल के वीडियो में किया. नाउ these stomata, अगर हम इनकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखेंगे, हाउ दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द प्लांट और हाउ दे आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द लीफ, we have got various types of these stomata. Now we will now discuss distribution of the stomata on the leaves. Distribution of the stomata on the leaves, how they are distributed on the leaves. फर्स्ट वन जो हम देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट टाइप जो हमारे पास है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एप्पल एंड मलबरी टाइप. Apple and mulberry type. What happens in this apple and mulberry type? We will see जो stomata होते हैं, they are mainly found on the under surface. They are mainly found on the under surface, that is the lower surface of the leaves. जो होते हैं जो stomata they are present है, this is called as apple and mulberry type. Second one जो हमारे पास है, that is called as the potato type. In this case, stomata are present on both the surfaces. Stomata are present on both the surfaces. Stomata are present on both the surfaces, but their number is more. But their number is more on the under surface. पहले में कंप्लीटली जहां एप्पल एंड मलबेरी जो स्टोमेटा है वो अंडर सरफेस में पाए जाते हैं, सेकंड में दोनों में पाए जाते हैं, अपर सरफेस में भी और लोअर सरफेस में भी, या अपर सरफेस और अंडर सरफेस में भी. लेकिन फिर भी हम देखते हैं कि ऑन द अंडर सरफेस द नंबर ऑफ स्टोमेटा इज मोर अंडर सरफेस. थर्ड जो हमारे पास आता है, व्हाट इज दैट कॉल्ड एज थर्ड. फर्स्ट वन इज एप्पल एंड मलबेरी, सेकंड इज, थर्ड हमारे पास है ओट. ओट टाइप में हम क्या देखते हैं कि स्टोमेटा आर इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. स्टोमेटा आर इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ब्यूटेड ऑन बोथ दिस सरफेसेस. जितने अपर सरफेस में है उतने ही लोअर सरफेस में है. देन वी हैव गॉट नंबर 4, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वाटर लिली टाइप. वाटर लिली टाइप में हम देखते हैं कि स्टोमेटा आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर सरफेस. स्टोमेटा आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर सरफेस. अब हमने क्या देखा, पहले में जो एप्पल एंड मलबेरी ज्यादातर अंडर सरफेस में, लोअर सरफेस पोटैटो टाइप दोनों सरफेस में, लेकिन ज्यादातर अपर सरफेस में. ओट टाइप बराबर जितने ऊपर वाले सरफेस में उतने नीचे वाले सरफेस में. वाटर लिली टाइप दे आर मेनली प्रेजेंट ऑन द अपर सरफेस. एंड वी हैव गॉट लास्ट वन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पोटामैगटन टाइप. पोटामैगटन and in this type what we will see, stomata जो है it is mainly found, जो हम देखते हैं in the what we call as aquatic submerged plants या submerged plants में पाए जाते हैं. Plants stomata may be present but are functionless. They are present but are functional, or they are either absent, या वो absent भी होंगे. And they are mainly present in the submerged aquatic plants. They may be present, अगर present होंगे then they will be functionless, or they may be completely absent. This was about the distribution, how these stomata are distributed on the leaves. Apple and mulberry type, second one potato type, third one oat type, fourth one water lily, and fifth one potamenta. Simply आपको क्या रखना, पहले में they are found on the under surface start करना है, फिर दोनों में अंडर और अपर, लेकिन ज्यादातर अंडर में, फिर equally distributed, फिर Fifth, fourth one only on the upper surface, and fifth one, if they are present, they are functionless or they are absent, and they are mainly found in the submerged aquatic plants. Now one more, how movement स्टोमेटा, हाउ व्हेन दे ओपन, या वो कब ओपन हो जाते हैं, वो कब क्लोज हो जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द daily movement of daily movement of stomata on the leaves. वो कैसे मूव करते हैं, हाउ दे मूव, हाउ दे, when they open, when they are this close. We have got a well-known biologist. His name was Loftfield. He has shown, he has given us the daily movement of stomata, and he has given us that we have on that basis how when the where or when the stomata open, when they close. And this Loftfield is the name of the scientist, botanist. He had given us 4 different types of the stomata. First one, that is called as the alfalfa type. In this type, what we will see, stomata are open during the day, वो दिन में खुले रहते हैं, लेकिन जब रात आती है वो क्लोज हो जाते हैं. एंड क्लोज्ड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. गोया इन केस ऑफ अल्फाफा टाइप, स्टोमेटा जो होते हैं, दे आर ओपन ड्यूरिंग द डे बट दे आर क्लोज ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, वी हैव गॉट रेडिश. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, वी हैव गॉट द पी. दिस वॉज फर्स्ट. नाउ सेकेंड वन जो हमारे पास है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द पोटैटो टाइप. पोटैटो टाइप में भी हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो स्टोमेटा होते हैं, दे रिमेन ओपन. स्टोमेटा ओपन थ्रू आउट द डे एंड नाइट एक्सेप्ट few hours after the sunset. जब सनसेट होता है, what we will see, जो हम देखते हैं कि except a few hours after the sunset, कि जब ये क्लोज हो जाते हैं फॉर 2-3 hours 4 hours. और इसके अगर हम एग्जांपल देंगे, we have got the cabbage. वो दिन में ओपन रहते हैं इस टाइप में, पोटैटो टाइप में, लेकिन रात में भी वो खुले रहते हैं, लेकिन रात में कुछ टाइम, दैट इज आफ्टर द सनसेट, few hours after sunset. फॉर एग्जांपल we have got this cabbage and we have got this pumpkin. थर्ड वन जो हमारे पास है, थर्ड टाइप, what we will see, we have got, that is called as the barley type. बार्ले टाइप में हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो स्टोमेटा होते हैं, दे रिमेन क्लोज्ड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. क्लोज्ड, दे रिमेन क्लोज्ड. What do we say? रात में जो ये होते हैं स्टोमेटा, दे रिमेन क्लोज ड्यूरिंग द नाइट एंड ओपन फॉर few hours, और वो खुल जाते हैं ड्यूरिंग द डे, ड्यूरिंग द डे. और दिन में वो 2-3 घंटे तक या 2-4 घंटे तक वो खुल जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव गॉट बार्ली. Very good. For example, we have got this wheat. For example, we have got this maize. Now, fourth one जो हमारे पास है, that is equisteum. Equisteum में हम क्या देखते हैं? EQUISTM. Equisteum में क्या हम देखते हैं कि जो स्टोमेटा होते हैं, they never close. स्टोमेटा जो होते हैं, they never close. So these are the different types or movements of the types of this stomata, and this classification, it was based on the daily movement of stomata on the leaf. This was all for today. Next we will continue in the next video. We will continue this transpiration. Until then, goodbye. Stay blessed. Thank you.